What if I told you that Nikon is preparing a camera that could challenge Sony and Canon's best mirrorless models? A camera built for professional photographers, filmmakers, and creators who demand extreme resolution, speed, and reliability. Yes, today we are talking about the Nikon Z7 III, the most awaited high-resolution mirrorless camera from Nikon. In this video, we'll cover features, benefits, comparisons, expected release date, and price. So watch till the end. The Nikon Z7 III is expected to be the next flagship high-resolution mirrorless camera in Nikon's Z-mount lineup. It is designed for landscape, wildlife, studio, fashion, and professional video creators who need detail, accuracy, and performance. Compared to the Z7 II, the Z7 III is rumored to bring major upgrades in sensor, autofocus, video capabilities, and processing power. The Nikon Z7 III is expected to feature a 45 to 50 megapixel full-frame BSI CMOS sensor. Benefits: ultra-high resolution for landscape and commercial photography, incredible dynamic range, sharper details with improved low-light performance, better color accuracy with Nikon's latest image science. This camera will be perfect for large prints, professional editing, and cropping without losing quality. The Z7 III is expected to use Nikon's next-generation Xpeed processor, possibly Xpeed 7. Benefits: faster image processing, better noise reduction, higher continuous shooting speeds, improved autofocus tracking, advanced video features. This means smoother performance in both photo and video modes. Autofocus is where the Z7 III is expected to shine. Expected AF features: AI-powered subject detection, IF for humans, animals, and birds, faster and more accurate tracking, better performance in low light. Why it's better? Compared to older Nikon models, the Z7 III is expected to compete directly with Sony's real-time AF and Canon's dual-pixel AF. The Nikon Z7 III is rumored to bring serious video upgrades. Expected video features: 8K video recording, 4000 at 1.2f, 10-bit internal recording, unlog and HLG support, improved heat management, better rolling shutter control. This makes the Z7 III a true hybrid camera for photographers and filmmakers. The camera is expected to feature 5-axis in-body image stabilization, possibly offering up to 8 stops of stabilization. Benefits: sharper handheld photos, smoother handheld videos, perfect for travel, vlogging, and wildlife shooting. Nikon Z7 III will likely feature magnesium alloy weather-sealed body, improved grip and button layout, high-resolution electronic viewfinder, fully articulating touchscreen. This camera will be rugged, professional, and reliable, suitable for harsh conditions. Expected improvements include longer battery life, dual card slots Express Plus SD, faster file transfers via USB-C, perfect for long shoots and professional workflows. Compared to Sony, better color science, stronger build quality, improved ergonomics. Compared to Canon, higher resolution focus, better landscape performance, competitive video features. Compared to Nikon Z7 II, faster processor, smarter autofocus, better video specs, improved stabilization. There's no official Nikon Z7 III release date, but rumors and leaks from late 2025 point towards a possible announcement or launch in late 2025 or early 2026, with strong speculation that Nikon is taking its time to deliver significant upgrades in resolution, potentially for 5.9 autofocus and video features too. Position it as a high-resolution powerhouse against competitors. Release window: late 2025 to early 2026, for example. December 2025 or January 2026. Sensor: expect a new High-resolution BSI sensor may be 61MP, 67MP, or even 90MP for superior detail and low light. Features: upgraded autofocus like Z8, Z9 tech, better video 8K potential, dual card slots, 4-axis tilting screen, and advanced connectivity 5G Wi-Fi. Positioning: a balanced, high-res camera for landscape studio photographers, offering more than just incremental updates. The expected price of the Nikon Z7 III could be USD $3,500 to $3,800 body only. This pricing places it firmly in the professional mirrorless category. Before we wrap up this video, let's talk about who the Nikon Z7 II is really made for, and whether it will be worth your money when it finally launches. If you are a professional landscape photographer, this camera is built for you. The ultra-high resolution sensor will capture every tiny detail, every texture, and every color exactly as you see it in real life. If you are into wildlife or bird photography, the improved autofocus and faster processor will help you capture sharp shots of fast-moving subjects with more accuracy than ever before. For studio, fashion, and commercial photographers, the Z7 II will deliver clean files, excellent skin tones, and massive dynamic range, making it perfect for high-end editing and printing. Yes, and this is where Nikon is making a big statement. With expected 8K video for K120 FPS, 10-bit recording, and unlog, the Nikon Z7 III is no longer just a photography camera. It's a true hybrid camera designed for YouTubers, filmmakers, and documentary. Nikon manages heat control properly. This camera could compete directly with Sony A7 R series and Canon R5 line. Why Nikon Z7 III could be a game changer? The biggest strength of the Nikon Z7 III is balance. You are getting high resolution, professional autofocus, advanced video features, strong body build, excellent color science. Many cameras focus on just one thing, but the Z7 III aims to be great at everything. This could make it one of the most versatile mirrorless cameras in its category. Should you wait for Nikon Z7 III? If you already own a Nikon Z7 or Z7 II, waiting for the Z7 III makes a lot of sense. The upgrades in autofocus, video, and processor will be worth it. If you are planning to switch from another brand, the Z7 III could be a perfect entry point into Nikon's ecosystem, especially with Nikon's growing lens lineup. The Nikon Z7 III looks like a camera that Nikon has designed very carefully, listening to feedback from professionals and creators. If Nikon delivers what is expected, it will be one of the best high-resolution, mirrorless cameras of its time. It will challenge Sony and Canon directly, and it could become a favorite among serious creators. So now the question is not, is Nikon Z7 III good? The real question is, are you ready for the Nikon Z7 III? If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because we bring you the latest camera leaks, confirmed news, and honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.